Shut it down. Okay, so get your Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so there's a little notch here. Put your... Okay, that's not going to work. Okay, so this one has only one slot for some reason, which is kind of shit. So it can only add one slot there, and so this takes DDR4. Where is it? So they take these kind of SSDs. Okay, you also has the slot for 2.5-inch as well, but you need the connection, and you'll need to remove that. But in this case, it doesn't have the connection for 2.5, so you've got space for only just one NVMe or M2 slot. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a 512 gig SSD. And I'm going to be adding 16 gig RAM. Let's go for a chicken. Okay, so if you've got a flash drive, I'm going to put it into my portable drive, just press F12. Okay, I've got 16 gig and 512 gig SSD. Don't worry about that, that's just the USB.